Greeting to you, my fortunate viewers. Adenina Samson is my name. I am the international president of Life Plus Foundation International. This organization started in Nigeria 2 years ago, and in just 2 years of operation, we have physical offices in 22 states in Nigeria. And in Africa, we have physical presence duly registered in South Africa, Liberia, Ghana, Benin Republic, Cote d'Ivoire, and Cameroon. By way of definition, Life Plus Foundation International is a community of entrepreneurs where every member in that community are being trained, empowered, and financially supported to start their own business, grow it, and become a successful entrepreneur and become a successful employer of labor. Dear viewers, if you don't desire to be your own boss, you have no option. You must work for one. We believe in our organization that God never sent anybody to this world empty. There's a particular gift inside you that is capable of putting food on your table without waiting for any government. In this organization, the founders are a group of individuals coming together as dream helpers. These people has volunteered to use their God-given intellect, resources, and talent to support humanity. Today, Life Plus has become the largest empowerment campaign, a massive empowerment campaign going on in Africa as we speak, telling people to take their destiny in their hands because the greatness inside of you can make you a man, a woman you have been dreaming to be. But unfortunately, a lot of people are yet to discover this. Until you are able to discover yourself, you may not be able to recover yourself. Alright. The future always belongs to those that can see possibility in an opportunity before it becomes obvious. If you are fortunate to catch it now, congratulations. I want to believe as many people that are watching me, what you see determines what becomes of you. Remember, there is difference between looking and seeing. A lot of people that are watching me may not be seeing what you are seeing, but if you are able to see it, congratulations. In Life Plus, our mission is to develop African economy through the trainings of prospective SMEs using cooperative methodology to achieve the dreams of such business owners. It is the Americans that make America to be what it is today. It is the Chinese that make China to be what it is today. If Nigeria will be revived economically, we hold ourselves that responsibility. It's in our hands. In fact, where Nigeria is today is through our hands. So, it is never too late for us to discover ourselves, where we got it wrong, and retrace our steps. Our vision is to become African leading empowerment organization by producing 1 million entrepreneurs within our first 5 years of operation. Amazing. We have empowered thousands of people all over Nigeria. Today we have physical offices. Training is going on. People are enjoying the blessedness in this organization in 26 states in Nigeria, and we are still moving. Alright. Of course, every genuine vision always bigger than the visionary. These are the executives of this organization. These are the faces of this company. So, they are doing justice to the opportunity in different states of the federation. We are coming together as dream helper. We want to be an asset to this generation. We want to be a blessing to this world. We want to touch life. We want people who are once nobody to become somebody. Nobody have excuse in Nigeria to be poor. Your present financial situation is your choice. You can as well change it. You can as well decide that you want a change of story. Oh yes, it's possible. This organization is duly registered in Nigeria. This is our CAC certificate, and this is our SCOOM certificate from the EFCC. Now what are we into? What are we selling? What am I here to advertise to you? What we are selling in Life Plus is for every Nigeria to take their destiny in their hands. You don't choose your father, you don't choose your mother, you don't choose your country, but the outcome of your life is your choice. We believe in skill acquisition because it is your value that makes you valuable. We believe that there is a particular skill inside of you that is capable of making you a man of your dream, but with a particular focus to agriculture, because agriculture is an ever-relevant business. In fact, it's a hidden treasure within. Agriculture will never go out of style. Agriculture remains ever relevant. Since God created this world, agriculture has been. In fact, when God created the first man and the first woman, He put them in the garden and tell them to till the ground. That is what makes agriculture an ever-relevant business. Yam is yam, maize is maize, rice is rice. In as long as human beings exist, they remain the same. The only thing that changes in the agriculture is the price. And that is what makes an opportunity I am bringing to you. Anybody can go into it. Anybody can go into it. So under agri-related vocation, you want to go into poultry, you want to go into crop farming, fish farming. Maybe your own career choice is rabbit rearing, goat farming, vegetable farming. It's possible your own is snail rearing. It's possible your own is animal feed production. It's possible your own is piggery. Maybe you want to go into grass cutter rearing. It's possible you want to go into beekeeping or mushroom farming. The good news is that we have capable professionals that are going to train you. You will know the business inside out and become a commander in the business. Don't forget, it is your understanding that makes you an outstanding person in whatever you are doing. When it comes to businesses like this, if you are not well informed, you may be well deformed. We have people that know their onion, seasoned trainer, professionals that are going to train you, and all our trainings are practical. We take you to the farm. How do you construct their pen? How do you formulate their food? How do you construct their incubator? How do they lay eggs? How do you hatch their eggs? All this, we are taking you to the farm. We help you to stock your farm. We help you to construct their pen. You don't grow big to start small. You start small to grow big. Many of us that are still on the road looking for a job, assuming you started any of these things yourself last year, imagine where you'll be today. God doesn't despise the days of humble beginning. So this is what we have under agri-related vocation. Under non-agri-related vocation, because there are some guys out there that doesn't like agriculture. Stainless ladies out there. You can go into soap making, paint making, bead making. You can go into perfume, insecticide production. You can go into makeup. You can go into chip production and packaging. You can go into catering and baking. You can go into perfume production, air freshener production. You can go into high-yielding skill, digital marketing. What many people are looking for going to Sokoto is right in their Sokoto. Nobody has excuse in Nigeria to be poor. The present situation, the present financial situation you find yourself is your choice. It's your choice. God gave every man equal opportunity. Everybody have 24 hours a day. Rain fall on everybody equally. Sun shine off every human being equally. Breeze blow on everybody equally. What excuse do you have to be poor? No. There are no. If you are a 40 years old man and you are still looking for a job, or you don't even have money, or you see yourself as a poor man, can you imagine how many 40 years old men like you that are successful under the same government, under the same administration, in the same country? So the present outcome of your life is your choice. It's your choice. All right. Just as an example, as a proof, we have trained a lot of people. Look at all these women. Some of them are idle housewives before. Today, they are professional caterer. Look at it. Those that like agriculture, we have taken them on different vocation. We took them to different practical in-depth training. Today, they have seen year 2021 as a year of new beginning. They have seen year 2021 as a year where their destiny will come to reality. Dear viewers, this is what we do in Life Plus. It is your value that make you valuable. If you don't start something today, if you don't start your own business today, somebody will hire you to manage their own business. You have no option. See that you are doing yes to somebody, or somebody is doing yes to you. One must happen. You can't be in between. You see that you are here or there. So the encouragement in this organization is for every fortunate Nigerians, or wherever you may be hiring this, to have something you can call your own. Don't forget, your own is your own. That is what we are doing in Life Plus, and that is the message. Now, how do you become a member of this organization? We want to know how many people are actually going somewhere this year. Mind you, it's not everybody you see walking by the roadside are going somewhere. Some of them are wanderers. How many people are actually going somewhere this year? And that is what will make us to know. To be a member of Life Plus, there is a membership fee you have to pay. And the good news about this membership fee is that you are not paying this money every day, you are not paying this money every week, you are not paying this money every month, not even every year. One-time payment in a lifetime. And how much is that? 15,000 naira. Yes, you had me well. 15,000 naira. That is your ticket that will put you on highway to high places in this year. That is all you need. Anything called business require capital. Yes, no matter how little or small, you need some amount of money. You don't need capital to be a staff in any organization. You don't need capital to be a worker in any ministry. But to start a business, even in Freetown, you need some amount of money. That is fact of life. All right, the good news here is that the 15,000 naira you need is one-time payment in a lifetime. Where do you pay this money? These are the banks we are using in Nigeria. Please take responsibility for your future yourself. Go to any of these banks, make the payment. Now, why must you look for this money? Dear viewers, anything that doesn't cost you anything will never add anything to your life. So your financial freedom must cost you something. Even to make heaven, it must cost you something. Now, what are we using this money for? There are 7 major purposes we are using this money for. 7 major purposes. We only collect the money from you and spend it back on you so that you become a man, a woman of your dream. Alright, what we are doing in Life Plus is to create the enabling environment that doesn't exist in our country. Yes, we can come together, we can create it. We can come together and create it. Number 1, your transportation. Secondly, your feeding that day. We can't take you to the snake farm, grass cutter farm, from morning till evening without giving you food, so that the trainer will not be saying A and you are hearing Z. Thirdly, your training manual. Even if you have photogenic brain, you can't remember everything the trainer is going to say you that day, the following day. There must be a comprehensive manual that contains A to Z of that your vocation. It is the manual you'll be referring to from time to time. It's part of the material that will be given to you on your day of training. And number 4, mentorship. We mentor you. In business of nowadays, if you don't have anybody that inspires you in business, you get inspired easily. Somebody must be your mentor. You need a professional tutelage. And number 5, your training charges. The expert that is coming to train you that day, your lecturer, must be paid. The parents is not coming to do ministry work. The man must be paid. So for all this and a business website, every member of Life Plus, the moment you pay this 15,000 naira, a system generated website will be sent to you. The user ID will be sent to you, and your password will be sent to you. Because we are in a computer age, companies are going digital. So this is how we spend the 15,000 naira. With all this I mentioned, all you need is a 15,000 naira one-time payment. And in addition to that, there are other benefits. I call them bonus. For coming to Life Plus, it's part of the pluses. There are 8 ways you make money here to go into that business and to expand the business. Every business requires expansion capital. Number 1, referral bonus. Number 2, bi-monthly earnings. 3, rank advancement bonus. 4, additional incentives. 5, leadership success bonus. 6, zero interest loan. 7, members cooperative. And 8, insurance cover. These are the 8 amazing bonuses. I call them ini. Also we call it jara. Alright, these bonuses are optional. Yes, when I say something is optional, it's not compulsory. If you are for snare rearing, this is the training manual that is part of the material that will be given to you. It contains A to Z, everything you need to know about snake farming. If you are for rabbit rearing, this is the manual that will be given to you that day. Everything you need to know about rabbit rearing is here, and every other vocation we have it like that. Now, referral bonus. For every body that joined this organization through you, the system pay you 1,500 naira, and there is no limit to the number of people you can refer. So it's up to you. This is a crowdfunding initiative that makes everybody to benefit from the organization. Now, cooperative. Because we don't want the initial capital to start to be an issue to our members, that is why we create cooperative. For people we be say only God is their godfather, this is our cooperative form. You can get zero interest loan as a member of Life Plus, because after your training, you are our product, trained and certificated by us. Your success in that business is our success. We have many people that have been trained out there. The money to start is not available. Yes. And in Africa, we know they borrow ourselves money to do better things. But in Life Plus, you can obtain this form, fill it, and come and obtain zero interest loan. Many people have started enjoying this. You are just the next to testify. And we have investment platform where you can make your money to work for you. We created this investment platform because we are already into poultry ourselves. We have a massive rice farm, we have a massive poultry farm, we have rabbitry farm, because we want people to see us practicing what we are teaching. We want to be an organization that is leading by example. Yes, to be our investor, to be a shareholder in Life Plus Agri Project, ₦1 million is the minimum. And how much are you get? 15% every six months. Yes, 15%. If you invested 1 million naira on the 1st of January, by 1st of June, the first 6 months, your money is entered. But we pay you 150,000 naira, which is 15%. On the 1st of December, which is another 6 months, we pay you another 150,000 naira, and your money is entered. And any day, any week, any month you want your capital back, we only need 30 days notice, and we pay your capital back the way you pay to us. We have a lot of people that are benefiting from this, and in fact all our investors are in for a fulfilling adventure in this year 2021. Now we have a stable where you can benefit. We created this so that every member of Life Plus can benefit from every member of Life Plus. How does it work? Everybody that joined Life Plus after you, and that is why time is of essence. This is where the place where you sit already determine what you see. Anybody that joined Life Plus, 500 naira enter your account, whether they know you or not, whether they like your face or not, whether they are Christian or Muslim, whether they are married or single, whether they are Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Fulani, it doesn't matter. Whether they come for snare rearing, piggery, it doesn't matter. The fact that you are a senior citizen, you are already in the system before they come. This is why time is of essence. As you are hearing this information, you need to take immediate step. Now let's look at this mind-blowing figure together. All you need to do for you to have access to this, for you to have access to loan, for you to have access to this and that, all the blessedness, is to introduce 4 people to Life Plus. Yes, in Life Plus we always say 4 people does the magic. 4 people open the door of cash flow for you this year, both to do a lot of things and to expand your business. Alright, let's look at this mind-blowing together. 4 people, the 500 naira on the first 4 people, that's 2,000 naira. Yes. By the time these 4 people introduce their 4, Look at the next figure, the second line. That is 16 people. Are you the one that brings 16 people here? Of course not. These 16 people, do you know their house? Of course not. But the system pay you for 500 naira again. That's 8,000 naira. By the time this system bring their 4-4, and this, look at the figure under that 16 at the third level. That's 64. These 64 people, if you meet them on the road, do you greet each other? The answer is no. This is how people are coming to join LifePlus from left, from right, from center, and the system is arranging it to benefit you, to favor you. By the time your network, can you imagine the volume of people that will join LifePlus, both online, offline, between now and end of this year? That's massive. The system is arranging it as something is coming to you. When your network go to level 6, we are talking of 2 million plus. When your network go to level 7, that's 8,192,000 naira. Wow. When your network go to level 8, that is 32 million. When your network finally go to level 9, we are talking of 131 million naira. From a business that costs you just 15,000 naira, one-time payment in a lifetime. The first question is, all these people, are you the one that bring them to LifePlus? The answer is no. The answer is no. Your own is just 4. The second question, by the time you join LifePlus, before you bring the first line, by the time these 4 people bring their 4, that's 16, level 2. By the time these 16 bring their 4, that's 64, level 3. Can it take you up to 5 years before you get to level 9? Of course not. You yourself, you know that it won't take up to 5 years. This is where profit is better than wages. I call it simplicity that leads to fortune. Simplicity that leads to transgenerational wealth. Everybody know 4 people. Even you know the number of names of people in your phone book. Even as I'm talking, do you know you can call 4 people now? Not just 4 people. 4 people that are entrepreneurial inclined. 4 people that are motivated. 4 people that want this year to be their best financial year. A lot of people have done it, so can you. We have a lot of people in LifePlus today that from this, they have been able to set up a business, a big business, because it's a crowdfunding initiative. People are coming from left, from right, and from center. It's a sure income. All right. We have 9-month action plan. I want to show you this mind-blowing figure. Do you know it's possible for somebody to get to level 9 within 9 months? Very possible. Yes, it depends on you. That is why we are setting this target. We want to work it out. Online, offline, a lot of people will get to level 9 within just 1 year of operation. Look at it. This is not a child's play. This is a serious business for serious-minded individual. 2,000 naira in level 1, plus 8,000 naira in level 2, plus 32,000 naira in level 3, from 128,000 naira in level 4. Add it up to level 9. How much are we talking about? 174 million naira. Viewers, is this a joke? Of course. This is no joke. This is no child's play. All right. All you need to do is to introduce 4 people. And these 4 people, you already have them at your beck and call. You have a lot of people on your phone. You meet people every day. This is where information is power. Information is power. Our payday is 1st and 15th of every month. And since we started this organization, we have never missed a day. Alright, rank advancement bonus is here because there is promotion ladder. Once you get your 4 people, you are no more an ordinary member. You are now a LifePlus manager. And as a manager, you get a manager bonus. As a pair level 2, you get a pair bonus. As a Sapphire level 3, 15,000 naira Sapphire bonus. Wow. Down to level 9. Then we have physical gifts, incentives, physical, touchable, seeable gift from LifePlus. These gifts start from level 2. Once you get to level 2, that you join LifePlus, you pay 15,000 naira, one-time payment, and you didn't stop at that. You still introduce 4 people. Wow. We pay for your insurance cover because you have become a precious member, a VIP in this organization. 500,000 naira insurance cover from FBN Insurance. Yes, you can't be in level 2 for life. At level 3, we ask you to choose one of these. At level 3, you have become one of the leaders in this organization. We always have our leaders meeting. All leaders in Life Plus from within and outside Nigeria. This is the one we have last year. You can see. We call it Tinapa 2020. All Life Plus members from within and outside Nigeria attended that program. You can see. We put heads together on how to make this program, how to make Life Plus to become a household name in Africa. We are working on that. So when you get to level 3, you are a part of it. The one we are doing in Port Harcourt, you will be invited. All right. When you get to level 4, we ask you to choose one of these. And at level 5, you have become an international figure. We take you outside Nigeria, where you are going to see one-time enjoyment of a lifetime. We believe that traveling is part of education. We want to take all our members to all part of the world for them to see what is happening. So we started this last year, and it was a journey of a lifetime. The experience, it was awesome. So this year we want to do more. All members of Life Plus that get to level 5, you have qualified to follow me to Singapore, all expense paid. A week all expense paid trip. It's amazing. A lot of people have already qualified. Even by now, you too can make it. It depends on you. You too can make it. It's a yearly event. A yearly event. Look at it. Look at those qualified. Okay, this is when we came back through Egypt Airline back to Nigeria. So this year, a lot of people have started packing their bags and baggages because they are going to Singapore. It's a yearly event. You too can join these wonderful people. At level 6, we ask you to choose one of these. At level 7, you are qualified to get a brand new car of your dream. Okay, we mark our anniversary last year in Oshogbo, Osun State. All members of Life Plus, we gather to celebrate our 1 year of operation. And it was awesome. A lot of people went home with generator, laptop, deep freezer, check. And we gave out this car to amazing and deserved members. 3 people went home with a brand new Jeep. This year, our anniversary is coming up. We are giving out 30 brand new Jeeps. Okay, you too can be a member. You can be a part of it. All these things I've been saying, these are the qualifiers. The first person that qualified was a pensioner. A retiree. He has retired, but he's not yet tired. Look at the other people qualifiers too. If these people can do it, you too can do it. All these people that follow me to Dubai and that got a brand new Jeep, got this, got that. How much do they pay to join Life Plus? It's just 15,000 naira. One-time payment in a lifetime. And this is the video of the anniversary, the one we had in Oshogbo, Osun State. I remember, yes, the executive governor of the state was our special guest of honor that day. Osun State was painted red that day. So the anniversary of this year is coming up in Ibadan, precisely in Oyo State. The anniversary is coming up. This is an opportunity for you. On the 4th of September of 2021, the anniversary this year is coming up. Please. Do you want to be clapping for people that day, or people will be clapping for you? I think this is a question you need to answer. So at level 7, we'll get that. At level 8, we ask you to choose one of these. At level 9, we ask you to choose one of these. Also, as I want to round off, dear viewers, we have retirement plan for all our members. Today you can run, today you can jump, today you can fly. A day is coming. That power will no longer be there. Remember, nobody remain young forever. Nobody remain young forever. This is a retirement plan. The 15,000 naira you are paying today take care of your present and your future. So your future is guaranteed. This is what you are getting at old age. When you grow old and lose your strength, this is what you are getting from everybody you introduced to Life Plus, either 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Any day they get to level 7, this is what you are getting. This is amazing. This is what made Life Plus a transgenerational business. All right. At level 4 also, this one is not too cooperative. It's the network. Once you get to level 4, money is no more your problem, sir. Money is not more your problem, man. You can access 0 interest loan from Life Plus, minimum 500. So once you get to level 4, your financial issue is over. And these are the people that have gotten it in Life Plus. You can see the people that have gotten the loan in Life Plus. So many of them. And these are young ladies and men that will never look for a job again for the rest of their life. because Life Plus has become an answer to their prayer. If it works for these people, I know it's going to work for you. This is our social media handle. You need to follow us on Facebook, like our page. You need to share our page. Dear viewers, anybody can fall off a ladder by accident, but nobody ever climb a ladder by accident. It takes conscious effort to succeed in life. If you don't move when people are moving, I tell you, it will take the power of prayer for you to be free from bitterness when you see those people shining, because they move in your presence and you are looking. So when people are moving, what do? You move. Visit our website, click on register yourself, enroll. Our website is www.lifeplusinternational.com. The first landing page that we open, you will see Life Plus Global, you will see Life Plus Africa. Click on Life Plus Africa, click on Nigeria, enroll yourself, register, and a contact person will get back to you to formalize your registration. And then through your state, our office in your state will be sent to you so that you can access your practical in-depth training there. As I welcome you into this happy family called Life Plus Foundation International. Join me, join us, because this business is going to explode all over Africa. And this is the right time for you to be a member. Let us work like a slave today so that we can live like a king tomorrow. Thank you, and God bless you all. LPFI, now you can. 100,000 naira.